this paper is a continuation of the previous paper. So if you already have that paper, you can continue this question. This is last question, geometry question, and I found that most of the students struggle to do this question. So we'll get into this and we'll discuss it thoroughly. I'll read. OAB is a sector of circle, center O and radius 10 centimeters. Okay, so this is a radius, this is also radius, OA is a radius, OB is a radius, as well as OC is also a radius. AOB is 72 degrees. Okay, and C is the point on the arc AB, this one, such that OC bisects AOB. So this thing is bisected, 72 is bisected equally. That means this is 36 and this angle is also 36. Calculate the perimeter of OAB sector, the complete sector they are asking. To find that, we can use first we have to find the circumference. So perimeter equals to circumference of the arc sector plus you shouldn't forget the radius. There are two radius parts, the outsides, so it's 10 plus 10. I'll find the circumference separately here. You can find it there. Circumference can be found by 2 pi r, the equation, but the problem is this is not a complete circle. This is a part of a sector, so we have to multiply this by 72 over 360 degrees. Okay, so if you solve this, you get 0.2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3.14 multiply by the radius 10 centimeters. 0.2 times 2 is 0.4, multiply by 10 is 4, so 4 times 3.14. If you multiply this, you get 12.56 centimeters. So the circumference is 12.56 centimeters plus 20 centimeters. In total you get 32.56 centimeters. So the answer is 32.56. Calculate the area of OAB sector. Area of OAB sector. This entire arc sector they are asking. Okay, that's also easy. So area is given by pi r square. But remember, this is, as I told before, this is not a complete circle. This is a part of a circle. So you have to multiply by 72 over 360. They value these steps, so it's better to write the entire steps. We calculate the value of this one. It's 0.2. So 0.2 multiply by, this is entirely 0.2 multiply by 3.14 multiply by 10 times 10. Okay, 0.2 multiply by 3.14 will give you 0.628 multiply by 100. The answer will be 62.8 centimeter square. So the answer is 62.8. Calculate the area of the shaded region. This is a hard question. This is a lot more to think. So here they are asking the shaded region, but we don't know the areas of the triangles. But you know this triangle is equals this triangle is equal to the area in this triangle, because why? This is 10, this is also 10. I'll use a different color. This line is also 10 and this is also 10. So, and this length is also equal to this length, because this angle is equal, these two angles are equal. Therefore AC is equals to BC as well. So area of these two triangles are equal, but you don't know the dimension, you don't know the vertical height of this triangle, you don't know the base length of this triangle. We have to find them. Okay, so let's find them. In your paper there are some blank pages at the bottom, at the last. This question for this question you can utilize that blank space. Yeah, I'll do in the side anyways. So first we have to draw a line, a perpendicular line. A perpendicular line. Okay, This is also 10 centimeters and this is also 10. Let's forget the units for now. Okay. Yeah. And this angle is 32. You know, sum of interior angle of a triangle is 32. This angle, sum of interior angle of a triangle is 180. And this the next point is this angle and this angle are same. Why? Because OCB, this triangle, this entire triangle, and as well as this triangle is an isosceles triangle. As the sides are equal, the angles are also equal. So if I assume this angle as x, this is also x. So 180 equals to, I can write 32 plus 2x. So 180 minus 32 equals to 2x. X is equals to 180 minus 32 divided by divided by 2. Which is 74 degrees. So x is equals to 74 degrees. Okay. Now, what can you do? We can use sine rule, right? I explained sine rule in the previous video, so I hope you watched it, or else if you know, it's good. So if you use sine rule for triangle OCB, I'll move this a little below. Yeah. If you consider sine rule for OCB, CB over sine 30, this is 36, not 32, okay, 36 equals to OC over sine 74. CB we don't know, sine 36. OC we know already, it is 10 over sine 74. CB is given by 10 multiplied by, we are taking this here, sine 36 divided by sine 74. Okay, now you can use your calculator. 10 multiplied by sine 36 divided by sine 74 gives you CB equals to 6.11 centimeter. It's always advisable to keep your answers in 2 decimal places. Okay, so CB length is 6.11 centimeters. I told you this side CB is equals to AC, so AC is also 6.11 centimeters. Okay, that's good. Now let's move on to the next line. We need to find the perpendicular height in order to find the area of the triangle, area of this triangular region, right? So how do you find this vertical height? For that one you can use Pythagoras theorem, but for Pythagoras theorem you need to know this middle value. That can be easily found by 6.11 divided by 2, which is 3.055. We can take it as 3. Okay. So by using Pythagoras theorem, you can do like this. 10 square is equals to 3 square plus the height. Let's assume this is height, h, this is h square. So h square equals to 100, 10 square is 100, minus 9, 3 square is 9. The answer is 91. So h is equals to root of 91. Here square is there, you can put root. So root and 2 cancel, h equals to root 91. Okay, root 91 is equals to 9.53 centimeters. Okay, h is equals to this much value. So you can find the area of the triangle. I'll do it here. Area of triangle is given by half into base is 6.11 into height 9.53. But remember, we have two triangles, so we can write area of we can put two triangles and multiply it by 2. This half and this 2 get cancelled. 6.11 multiplied by 9.53. The answer is 15.64 centimeters square. Okay, good. You already found the area of the sector, which is 62.8. You know the area of the two triangular parts. Now you can find the area of the shaded region. Area of shaded region is equals to area of arc minus area of triangles is 62.8 minus 15.64. That's a small mistake. The area of two triangle is not this much. The answer should be 58.22. Okay. Here also 58.22. So 62.8 minus 58.22 will give you 4.58 centimeters square. This is the area of the shaded region.